This is the late 2013 13-inch MacBook Pro. The case is literally cannot be closed anymore because the battery has swollen, and once the back cover is open, I can't close it back anymore. I'm going to attempt to replace the battery myself. Okay, this is the replacement battery that I bought online and it has just arrived in time. This is the battery connector part. It looks quite okay. And the battery label really similar to the original version. This replacement battery comes with two screwdrivers. One is the 1.2 pentalobe and another one is Torx. So this is the bottom part of the battery. And this is the connector part of the battery. To take out the screw, you need the pentalobe screwdriver. It's 1.2 size. Okay, the last screw left. And off goes the cover. Let's examine the problem of the battery closer. As you can see, the battery has been swollen, right? They're all pregnant, all at the same time. And it's really hard to touch. Okay, this is the connector to the motherboard. Okay, first step is to disconnect the battery. There you go. Just take out from here and here. Lift off. To take out the battery, as I said, there's one more screw I need to take out, but this screw is a Torx screw instead of a pentalobe. Just have to remove that. Okay, there you go. And basically the whole bracket is movable now. So what's next is to pry open and remove the battery cells from its adhesive. So to do that, I also learned a trick from YouTube. I actually can use some kind of string. The idea is to put the string underneath each cell like that, and then I just saw my way through the original adhesive and remove the battery from its adhesive one by one. So let's try the first one. Before this, I tried on this small battery, this small cell, and actually pulling the string can be quite painful to the hand. So what I'm doing is just to like wrap around the screwdriver and pull this. So there you go. Okay, it is not as difficult. Oh, I guess my string is just not strong enough. Okay, don't worry, I have plenty of it. Let's try a new one. Okay, I guess I have to double up the string and try again. Actually, it's surprisingly easy to peel up the adhesive. Maybe this is different kind of adhesive than I expected. So just slot the string in. It's because the battery has swollen, so they become fatter and not much gap to slot in the string. Okay. One done. Okay, this is more difficult. The string is too fat for this. Last one to go. Okay, straight in. Wow, the last one to go. Okay, all broken. Just have to pull them gently. Okay, I guess this one's still a bit tricky. Right, coming out soon. I guess I have to pull one more time for the last one. Just a little bit more. Able to use some help. Alright, slowly but surely. Okay, the cell. Okay, the cell at the side, you have to slot it out this way because the battery enclosure is hiding part of the cell. Likewise, this side too. Okay, and the final bit of the cell. Okay, you can see. Alright, there she goes. This is the original cell. I don't think I can reuse it anymore. And now the tricky part is to remove all this residue. Actually, not that tricky. Okay, I have to remove all this residue adhesive. Okay, be right back. Use a hairdryer to make removing the adhesive a little bit easier. There it goes. best to use masking tape. Just peel a length like that, and you sort of like stick out the residual adhesive bit by bit with this motion. It works quite well for me. I think this is a better solution. This is the part that I removed using the masking tape method, and this is the part that I need to continue to do. Okay, finally all the adhesive has been removed, and it's all clean for the new battery. I find when using the masking tape method, it will be easier if you apply some heat with a hairdryer to the surface and then use the masking tape to stick out the residual adhesive. It works much better that way. Okay, next step is to make sure replacement battery is in working condition. Let's make sure connection is alright, and let's try to power up. Do you hear the sound? It's working. Right. So, and it has 50% charge. Now we know the battery is working, so it's time to stick it on. To remove this plastic sheet that holds the battery, the 6 cells together. Okay, once removed, these are the new adhesive that is going to stick to the laptop. Okay, just have to align properly before. Okay, have to peel off this part a little bit and also this part a little bit so that I can slot the side cells in first. Okay, then align them properly before dropping them. Right, I guess. Oops. Okay, make sure it's properly. Let's stick. Okay, let's have to be late. So that's something stuck from me already. Okay, now let's try to. Okay. Where is the torque screw? Okay, it's all in now. Let's peel off this plastic. Okay, that's good. All done. Now what's left is to put back the back cover and power it on. Okay. I think the rest of the screws. At least the screw that is very nice. Not bad. Okay, it's all done. Let's power it up. Okay, the moment of truth. Power on. Yay, it's working. And the battery level is just 27%. I guess I have to charge it now. And the battery is charging. So it's charging at 1.94 watt and now 20 over watts. The design capacity is 100%. Cycle count is 0, which is good, which means the battery is new. And it's charging at, the current capacity is 29.8%. Let's see if we have more info on the battery. Good. I guess everything is working fine now. Thank you for watching.